Welcome to Governance, Risk and Compliance, Access Control, Interview Questions. We have already gone through these questions, so you can note it down and try to figure it out in your own way. That would be better. So this question we have already gone through. Now, these questions in blue color we'll be discussing here. So first question is explain post configuration step. Explain post configuration step for GRC configuration. One of the important interview questions. So prepare your answer in your own way. So in post configuration step, the first step is activating application in client, then activating BC set, then activating SICF services, mass generation of role using SUPC, user comparison and assignment of role to the user. So these are the basic post configuration steps. Now next question is, what is the benefit of activating application in client? So benefit is once you activate application in client, then you will get all the activated modules of GRC in your GRC system, say access control, process control, risk management. So after activation, you will be getting this application in your client. Now next question is, what is the benefit of activating BC sets, business component sets, and T code for activating BC sets? BC set is, T code is SCPR20, and the benefit is once you activate BC set for the particular module, you will be getting all the SAP authorization to your GRC system. So next question is, what is the benefit of activating SICF services? Internet Communication Framework Services, and how to achieve it? So to achieve it, you need to use T code called SICF, and after activating this, one can see NWBC page after executing the T code NWBC. If this services is not activated, even though you are having authorization to execute NWBC, there would be no any hyperlink on that page. Page would be blank. So to view NWBC, all the link and hyperlinks, SICF services need to be activated. Next question is, which role is having authorization to execute NWBC in GRC? Okay, so here, which role is having authorization to execute NWBC in GRC system? So that is base rule. Okay, base rule is having ability to execute NWBC in GRC. Every GRC user must assign to base rule, business rule and NWBC rule, and in base rule you will get authorization to execute NWBC. We'll see few more interview questions in next session.